Yes, children. Very good morning to all of you. Myself,
Hi,
Mr. Praveen. Yes, good morning. Myself, Mr. Praveen Bhoir from Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2. And today we are going to start a session. But before it, we are going to see a very beautiful, good thought. So the slide is in front of you. So will you read this slide for me?
so can I read Hassan Khan? The two most powerful warriors are patience and time.
Yes, the two most powerful warriors are patience and time. So, students in our life, everyone has a wish to become successful. Everyone wants everything in our life. But
Yes,
is it possible that everyone will get everything? Is it possible?
no,
No, because to get success, we have to set our goals, we have to set our aims, and accordingly we should do our efforts, then only we can achieve our aim. And in this process, having patience and having good
good
time,
morning, sir.
correct time. Yes beta, good morning. So to we should do efforts to achieve our goals, and in this process to achieve our goals we require good time and patience, and that is very much important. For example, Shivaji Maharaj, everyone knows Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj never did mistakes in his life, in his war strategies, because he was having patience and he was always waiting for right time. So he was getting success every time. Sometimes goes to back foot when things were not in his hand, and he was getting good opportunity to process ahead. So always keep in mind, if you have to become successful in your life, so we have to always keep in mind that this patience and waiting for correct time, these two things are very much important to reach our goal. So this is the meaning of this good thought, that the two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Okay, so we have to use this good thought in our daily life also. So now, before starting today's session, I would like to show you one picture. So are you able to see this picture?
Yes,
Yes. So
it's very hot today.
yes,
It
yes, there what can you see in this slide,
yes.
this picture? What can you see? Just tell me.
Sir, two boys are standing. Two boys are standing.
Yes, two boys or two men are talking with each other, and one person, the first person, is saying that it's very hot today, isn't it? It's very hot today,
Hot today.
isn't it? And the second person replied to his question that yes. Okay, means this is the communication between these two person. One person is asking that it's very hot today, isn't it? And the second person replied to the question of the first person, that is yes. Now just observe this very carefully. Now I am just roughing this, isn't it? Okay, now just tell me, it's very hot today. So in this sentence, is he asking question or he just
Yes.
saying the sentence?
Sing. Yes.
He's just saying the sentence that it's very hot today. So he has not
Yes.
asked question to the second person. He had just said that it's very hot today. Okay, fine. Whatever he felt, he spoke that it's very hot today. So there is no any compulsion on the second person to give answer to his question. So there is no need of this yes. There is no need of this yes.
Yes.
Because he is just saying one sentence, simple sentence. It's very hot today. Okay, fine. But if we are writing that it's very hot today, isn't it? So the first person wants something reply from the second person, because he's asking isn't it, he's asking isn't it. So the second person has to reply, he has to give answer to the question of first person, yes or no. So again I'm showing you the next picture. Yes, can you?
A boy is sad, isn't it? A lizard he.
Okay, in this picture we can see this boy is very sad. He's standing and he looks very sad. So this is a sentence. Now just imagine that I am saying this sentence. Okay, I'm seeing this boy and I'm saying that a boy is sad, isn't he? A boy is sad, isn't he?
Yes.
Okay. Now you replied that yes. Okay,
Yes.
you replied that yes. Now just forget this isn't it. Just forget this isn't it. Now I just said a boy is sad. I'm not asking you question. Okay, I just said a boy is sad.
Who
So,
is sad?
so is it compulsory for you to give answer of this question that a boy is sad? I have asked you question. No.
This
I
is a
just,
sentence.
yeah, this is the
Who is
sentence that
sad?
a boy is sad. Fine. It's just finish. A boy is sad. But if I'm adding this isn't it, yeah, isn't he? A boy is sad, comma, isn't he? Then you people has to give answer, because I am expecting answer from you. Right? A boy is sad,
Yes.
isn't he? So you have to give answer that yes or no, whatever you feel. Okay.
Yes.
Again, just see the next slide. Now this
A
boy
boy
is
is happy. A boy is happy, isn't it? He.
very good. A boy is happy, comma, isn't he?
Yes.
Again, I will say the same thing. If I just yes,
The
a boy is
boys.
happy. If I is removing this isn't he, and if I say only the sentence that a boy is happy, so is it compulsory for you
Fine.
to give answer?
Yes.
Is it compulsory to give you answer if I just said this sentence, a boy
No.
is happy? Okay, whatever I felt that I said, a boy is happy. It's not compulsory for you people that to give answer. But if I'm adding this isn't he, these two words and question mark, then I'm expecting answer from you. Boy is happy, isn't he? So you have to reply or you have to give answer to this isn't he. Okay, so we'll move to the next and last slide.
A fish is very beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't
The fish is very beautiful,
beautiful. It
isn't it?
is a
Again, I'm asking question to you that isn't it? The fish is very beautiful. Okay, this is just a sentence. The fish is very beautiful. And I just added two more words in that sentence, isn't it? So this isn't it, these two words which are added to the first sentence are expecting answer from the next person. Means we have to give answer yes or no.
no.
Okay. So this isn't it. This isn't it. This is the two words which are added in the first sentence are called question tag. These the words which are added to the first sentence are called a question tag. So today we are going to learn about the add a question tag. So first of all, we will see that what is meaning of question tag. So the meaning is given in front of you. So I just read it. Question tags are short questions at the end of statement. See, again I am reading. Question tags are short questions. Short questions means that isn't it, isn't he, isn't she. These are two short questions, two words, but that are short questions at the end of the statement. Means question tag never comes in the first line. In the first word, it never comes. It always comes at the end of statement. Okay, so such short questions are called add a question tag. Okay, so they are mainly used in speech when we want to. Now, for what purpose these question tags are used in our sentences? So first is confirm that something is true or not. Means suppose I'm saying something, okay, and he wants reply from the person or reply from the people that whatever I'm saying, is it true or not? So he wants just confirmation from the another people. So for confirmation of that sentence, he can use question tag. Then second, to encourage a reply from the person, we are to. Now, now I'm teaching to you people, okay? And if I'm just speaking and just speaking, and I'm not getting reply from you side, you people. So at one point, I will feel that these people are hearing or not. So in between, I can just say one or two words. That, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, yes. Now see, I just asked you question. Can you hear me? So you people just reply yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
in the same way, if spoke any one sentence and I want confirmation from you people that this fish is very beautiful, okay, and now I want confirmation from your side that is it really beautiful or not. So I will ask these two words. I will add that two words in my sentence. This fish is very beautiful, isn't it? So that time you all people will give answer. You all people will reply to my this question, isn't it? So you people, if two, three students can feel that, this is not beautiful fish. I don't like this.
No.
So you can say no. So the answer of your question tag is yes or no. Okay. So this is called question tag. Now, before writing this question tag, we have to learn about contracted form.
Is not, isn't.
Contracted form
No.
means what? Now you can see here. First one is not. This is not is, this word is helping verb, and not this word is negative. It's indicating negative word. So is not. So we have to contract or we
Is
have to
not.
combine these two words. So when we will combine this is and not, so it will be isn't. Is not will be isn't. Okay, so the meaning of both words are same. Isn't and is not are same.
Okay, sir.
Then was not,
And wasn't.
contracted form of was not is wasn't. Then contracted form of will not is won't.
Willant.
Not
Willant.
willant. No, willant is the wrong pronunciation. Will not will be converted in a won't. Okay. Then do not,
Don't.
don't.
Does. Don't.
Does not,
Does.
doesn't. Doesn't.
Doesn't.
Then did not.
Did and did not.
Okay. So here also one correction is there. Did not, we have to pronounce this did not as didn't. Didn't. Okay.
Did.
Never say didn't. Never say didn't. We have to pronounce it as didn't. We have to keep this middle D silent. Okay. So did not will be didn't. Then are not will be aren't. Okay.
Aren't.
Are not will be aren't. Then has
Are
not
not.
will be
Aren't.
hasn't.
Has not.
Hasn't. And last is have not will be haven't.
Haven't.
So these all
Has
are
not. Haven't.
contracted forms of helping verbs and its negative form. Okay. So only 9 helping verbs or nine contracted forms I have given here, but there are too many another helping verbs or auxiliary verbs are there that can be contracted in the another form. For example, shall not will be shan't, must not will be mustn't. So many words are there that we can contract in the two words can be contracted into one word. Okay. Then few things we have to keep in mind while writing our question tag. Which things we have to keep in mind while writing question tag? So
Are not. Aren't.
question tag never starts with capital letter. See, this thing we have to keep in mind that question tag never starts with capital letter. Means if you are writing question tag of are not, so see here are not, and in the second sentence also are not, but here aren't is
Capital I
written, but
written.
here a is written in capital word, a capital letter. So this is wrong. We have to write our question tag in this form. Aren't.
Aren't.
Whichever question tag you are writing, just keep in mind that we have to use small letter. Okay. Aren't, hasn't, weren't, then isn't, don't, didn't, whatever question tag will be there, but we have to use the small letter. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
second sentence is subject of tag can never be a noun. Subject of tag can never be a noun. It's always be pronoun. Now in parts of speech we have studied about the noun, pronoun, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
just example is also given. Just see the sentence. Kavita has eaten. Imagine. Kavita has eaten. Imagine.
Mangoes.
Okay. So in this sentence, which word is noun?
Kavita.
Very good. Kavita is noun. And when we are going to add question tag, so what we have to do? We have to write the whole sentence as it is. Kavita has eaten a mango. Just write whole sentence as it is. Kavita has
Has
eaten a mango.
has
Okay. Then we have
hasn't
to
he?
give.
She.
Then we have to give comma. Okay. In the first sentence, there is full stop. We have to remove that full stop and we have to add comma. Then just find out the
Hasn't she?
helping verb in your sentence. Which word is helping verb?
Hasn't
Has.
she?
Here, this has word is helping verb. So we have to write the negative form of helping verb. So if here has is there, we have to write hasn't, means hasn't is the contracted form of has not, right? Has not. So I have written hasn't, and here she. Now you will say that, sir, here it is written Kavita. So we should write here Kavita, right? But that thing is only, yes, that thing is only explain here that we cannot use noun in your question tag. We have to use pronoun. Now see, here Kavita is a female, right? Kavita is a female character. So I have written she, that shows the female character, that is Kavita. Okay. So whenever we are writing question tag of noun, we have to use pronoun for that noun. Okay. We'll see many
Okay, sir.
examples, so your doubts will be clear. So there are two types of your sentence. There are two types of your sentence, and the first type of your sentence is positive sentence. Second is negative sentence. Now you will say, sir, uh, we are learning question tag and you're telling about positive sentence, negative sentence. So what is relation between this positive sentence and negative sentence? So the next slide you will get answer of your question. So first of all, see these two types of your sentence, that positive sentence and negative sentence. Positive sentence means what? Your sentence is in a positive way. Means, now see here, Ram is good boy. Any negative word can you see in this sentence? No, no, never, not. Such kind of words
Ram is not a
will
good
not
boy.
exist here. Okay. Ram is a good boy. Okay. Ram is a good boy. Fine. He is a
Mohit
good
is
boy.
walking.
And next is Mohit is walking. Okay,
Mohit
fine.
is
He's
not
walking.
walking.
So these are positive sentence. Now the same sentence I have converted into negative sentence. See, negative sentence is Ram is not a good boy. Now one negative word I have added is not. Ram is not a good boy. So Ram is a good boy. This is the positive sentence. Ram is not a good. The negative sentence. Okay. Then again, the second sentence I have converted into negative sentence. That is, Mohit is not walking. Mohit is not walking. So again, this sentence is also called negative sentence.
Sentence.
Okay. So do you understand the difference
Yes, sir,
between
I know. Yes,
positive
sir.
positive sentence and negative sentence? Okay.
Yes, sir, I
So now what?
understood and I know.
Very good. So what is relation between positive and negative sentence to the question tag? Okay, that we will see. So first of all, we will see the negative question tag. How we can convert or add question tag for negative sentences. So this sentence is very much important. Just I'm reading. The question tag is attached to the positive sentence. It is said to be a negative question tag. Means when your sentence is positive and we have to add question tag to that sentence, it is called negative question tag. Example is in front of you. We'll see that.
He is learning.
Yes.
He is learning, isn't he?
Okay. Can you understand difference? See,
Yes.
he is
Yes, sir.
learning. He is learning. So how to write answer of your question tag?
He is
Just write the
learning.
whole sentence again. Okay. Whole sentence we have to write again. He is learning. He is learning. Okay. I have written the sentence. Then give comma.
Isn't the
Then
he is learning, comma,
yes.
isn't he?
Yes. Now he is learning. In this sentence, we have to find out helping verb. Which is helping verb? Is.
Is.
Am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, can, could, must, may. These all words are called helping verb or modal auxiliary verbs. Okay. So we have to find out helping verb, or we can say modal auxiliary verb. Then helping verb. Here helping verb is, right? Now we have to add question tag to this is. So question tag for this is not.
Is not.
Okay. This is question tag for your is. So we have to write contracted form of is not. So contracted form of is not is, isn't. Getting the point what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Contracted form of is not is, isn't. So I have written here isn't, and the first word, that is subject, we have to write here. Isn't he? Isn't he? Okay, understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So
She is.
when your sentence is positive sentence, your question tag will be negative. Okay,
Okay,
then
sir.
see the next sentence. She
She is
is running.
running.
Okay, again.
He is running, comma. She is running. It's he. Isn't she? Isn't she?
Fantastic, very good. She is running. Here, first of all, write the whole sentence as it is. She is running. Then comma.
Comma.
Isn't she?
He.
Now again here your helping verb is. So
Is.
is, and question tag for is will be is not. So instead of writing is not, we have to write isn't, contracted form of is not. Okay, so your answer is she is running, comma, isn't she, isn't she, and
Sonu has done
question
the
mark.
work. Sonu has done the work. Sonu has done the work, comma, hasn't he?
Yes, perfect. Sonu has done the work. Again here, write the whole sentence again. Sonu has done the
And
work as it
comma,
is. Now here, which
and
word
then
is helping verb?
he.
Has.
Has.
So has question tag of has will be has not.
No.
And this has not, we have to write in a contracted form. So that has not will be written as hasn't. Okay. And here, Sonu, I just told you
Sonu
about
is
this.
verb.
Sonu is not verb. Sonu is noun. Okay.
Sorry,
Sonu
sorry,
is
now.
noun. So we cannot write noun as it is. So here, instead of writing Sonu, I have written he. Now, Sonu may be boy or maybe girl also. So I'm considering that Sonu is boy. So I have used he. If you think that Sonu is not boy, Sonu is girl, so we will write
She.
she. Okay, so it depends on you. Your answer, both answers are correct. So hasn't he? And the main important thing is your question mark.
Question mark.
Okay. Then the fourth question.
The
The
children
children
were
were,
watching the movie. The
yes,
children were watching the movie, comma, weren't they? Sir,
very good.
help word is where.
Very good. The children were watching the movie. In this sentence, your helping verb is where. Okay. So again, whole sentence we have to write the children were watching the movie, comma, weren't they? Were not. What
Sorry,
we have to write?
weren't
Were
they?
not. So contracted form of were not is weren't.
Weren't
Weren't.
they?
And they for these children means not one child. Children means more than 2 or 3 children, childs, right? So for that I have written they. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have seen about the negative question tag. Now positive question tag. Now the same examples I have taken, so you will get the difference between the sentences. So just focus on this sentence. If the
If the
question
question
tag
tag
is
is attached
attached,
to the negative sentence, it is said to be a positive question tag. Positive question tag.
yes, means
He
if
is
your
not
question
learning.
tag, okay, if your question tag, if your sentence is negative, so your question tag will be positive for that. Okay, so that is called positive question tag. See, same sentence I have taken. What is your sentence? He is not learning. He is not learning. In the first slide, in the previous slide, what was that sentence? He is learning. Now in this sentence, he
He
is
is not
not learn. He is not learning. So this not, because of this not word, this sentence is converted in a negative sentence. He is not learning. This sentence is negative sentence. Okay. Now, whenever your sentence is negative, then your question tag for that sentence will be positive. So you're getting what I'm saying? When
Yes,
your
sir.
sentence is negative, your question tag will be positive. Okay, how? Just again, we have to write the whole sentence as it is. He is not learning, comma. Now here, we don't have to write isn't he. You will say that
Easy.
just sir, here is written, helping verb is. Then we have to write isn't for that is. No. So no, it's not like that. Here only is, this helping verb is not there. The both words are there. Is not. Is not. So if is not, these both words are coming in your sentence, means that is negative sentence. Then we have to remove this not and we have to write is he. Okay. This is the difference between positive question tag and negative question tag. Understood?
Yes. She is
Okay.
not running.
She is
She
not
is
running.
not running, comma, is she?
She is not running,
Help
comma, is
helping word
she?
is
Helping word, we said
has.
helping verb.
Is.
Okay,
Has
is
he? Verb.
and not is
Okay.
there. So here is she. Is she is your question tag and question
Okay.
mark. Okay. Then third question is
Sonu
Sonu
has
has
not
not
done
done
the
the work.
work.
Very good. Sonu has not
Sonu
done
has
the work.
not done the work. Has he?
Sonu has not done the work, comma. Has he?
Has he?
Again, I have
And
removed
helping
not.
verb has.
Yes, helping verb is has, and we have to remove not. Right? We have to remove not. So Sonu has.
Sonu has done the work.
Yes. Then fourth is the children were
The
not
children
watching
were
the
not
movie.
watching the movie.
Yes. Children were not watching the movie. Were they? Were they? Okay. So this is called question tag for negative sentences. Now, one more thing is there that we have to keep
Yes.
in mind.
There
So
is.
just observe this sentence. In case there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, then do oblique does oblique did are used in the tag. Means just read this sentence. They went to the
They
market.
went to the market.
Okay, now tell me which word is helping verb in this sentence.
Went. They went to the market. Went
No. So
to.
in this sentence, there is no helping verb is used or there is
Did.
no auxiliary verb is used. So in such
Did.
time, when your helping verb or auxiliary verb is not present in your sentence, that time we have to identify the tense of your sentence. See, they went to the market. Now this went
Do
is
you
verb,
know?
main verb. Now went is past tense of go. Okay, means this sentence is of past tense. This sentence is of past tense. So do, does, do and does, these two auxiliary verbs, these two helping verbs are for present tense, and did, this helping verb indicates past tense. So in such time, if your helping verb is not present in your sentence, we have to use do, does, and did. So again, this word is positive sentence. So here they went to the market, comma, didn't they? Now you will say, sir, from where this didn't came? So didn't came from the tense of the sentence. Why? This sentence is of past tense. They went to the market. Why this sentence is past tense? Because went, this word is of past tense. So here I have used question tag of didn't they. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then the next sentence is he reads a book. Now
He
you just
waits
tell me
or
which tense is there. It is in present tense or past tense?
present
This,
tense.
yes, very good. This sentence is of present tense. Now he reads a book. In this sentence, again auxiliary verb and your helping verb is not present. So we have to write the sentence again. He reads a book and doesn't he. Now again you will see that sir, from where this doesn't came? So this sentence is in a positive sentence, so we have to write negative question tag, and here doesn't for he. For she, it, they, we have to use doesn't, and for I we have to write don't. Okay.
Because one example, she is reads a book. So doesn't she?
Yes,
She reads
very
the
good.
book. Doesn't he?
Excellent, excellent. So some more questions, some more sentences are given.
Harish
Goes
goes
to
to the
the
school.
school.
Harish
Harish
goes
goes
to
to
the
the
school,
school.
doesn't he?
Again I have written doesn't. See, again write the whole sentence as it is. Harish goes to the school, doesn't
Doesn't he?
he. Now why we have used this doesn't? Because in this
Because
sentence,
Harish's name is boy.
yes, and here helping verb is not present,
Yes.
right? And plural form of verb is given. Plural form of verb is given. So doesn't he. Now see the sixth sentence. You go to the market.
You go to the market. You
Go
go to
to
the
the market. In this
market.
sentence, which word is verb?
Go.
Go. Go is in a singular form. So you go to the market, don't you? Now see the difference between doesn't he and don't you. What is difference between doesn't? Means it can be confusion among you that where to use doesn't and where to use don't. See, just focus on verb. Here verb is goes. Goes means it's in a plural form, right? And go, it is in a singular form. Go and goes. Go is in a singular form. So when your verb is in a singular form, we have to use don't. And when your verb is in plural form, that time you have to write does. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then see seventh question. Ram caught the bus. Ram caught the bus. Write your sentence as it is. And here I have written didn't he. Now tell me why I have written didn't. Why we have used didn't instead of don't and doesn't. Just think over it.
Ram is catching the bus.
Why I have used didn't instead of don't and doesn't. Okay. So for that only I told you, just focus on your tense. Ram caught the bus. This sentence is in which tense? Ram caught the bus. This sentence is in a past tense. Caught is past form of catch. And for past tense, we use didn't. Okay, so didn't he is question tag for your Ram caught the bus. Then eighth sentence is I am a good boy. I am a good
I
boy.
am a good boy.
So I am a good
I am
boy.
a good boy.
We cannot write amn't. You will say, sir, am is there. No. So we
I
will write
am a
amant.
good
No.
boy.
We
Amant.
cannot write amant. Instead of write means amant, this word never exists in English grammar. So we have to write, I am a good boy. Aren't I? We have to use aren't I. Then this was about the positive sentences. Now again, negative sentence we have to use in positive manner. You don't
You
go
don't
to
go
the
to
market.
market.
You don't go to the market. Do you?
Do you?
Now here it's very simple because already don't is given. So we have to just remove not from
Ram
don't
don't catch
and we
the
have to
bus.
write do you. Then seventh, Ram didn't catch the bus. Again we have to write same.
Ram did catch the bus, did he?
Did he?
Ram
From
did
this did,
the
from this
bus,
then
did
we
he?
removed not and we have used did
Then
he. And last is
did he catch the bus? I am not a good boy. I am not a good boy. Am I? Am I?
yes.
Am
I am
I?
not a good boy. I'm
I
not a
am
good
a
boy. Am I?
good boy. I am not a good boy. I am.
Okay. So in this way, we have to write the question tag. Okay. So I
Okay,
hope
sir.
you understood the question
Yes,
tag.
I
Just
understood.
evaluation questions are there. You have to
Yes.
tell me answer. Okay. One. Ganesh is clever boy. Tell me
Ganesh
question tag.
is Ganesh is clever boy. Comma. Ganesh is a clever boy. Isn't
Very good. Excellent. Ganesh is a clever boy, isn't he?
he?
Very good.
Pinky.
Then
Pinky
second,
is
Pinky is
a
a
cute
cute girl.
girl.
Yes.
He is a cute girl. Isn't comma? Isn't he?
Isn't he or isn't
Isn't
she?
she? Isn't
Yes.
she? Sorry.
Very good.
They were made people. They were made people. Comma did not. No.
They were mad people. What will be your question tag?
They were made people. Does not.
Just focus on
Isn't
your helping verb. Which word is helping verb?
where.
Yes, where. So negative form for where?
Weren't.
Weren't. Fantastic. They were mad people. Weren't they? What will come? Where means were not. Okay. Negative form for whenever your
Weren't.
sentence is in a positive sentence, we have to
Weren't
add
they?
your question in a negative word. Were not they? And were not will be contracted as weren't they. So weren't they is your question tag for this third sentence. Now fourth is it was not tasty.
It was not tasty. Comma doesn't eat. Doesn't
Again
it?
focus on helping verb.
Did
Which
not
word
eat. Tasty didn't eat.
which word is helping verb?
Was.
Was is helping verb. Okay. Means no need of did, don't, doesn't. Because helping verb is given. It was not
Wasn't.
tasty. Now wasn't is also not required. Why? Because this sentence is negative sentence. Already not is present. When not is present in your sentence, in
Isn't it?
question, we have to remove that not.
It was
It
tasty.
was not tasty, and question tag for your this sentence will be was it.
Wasn't it?
Finish.
Was it?
Was it? Okay. So in this way, we have to add a question tag, and one small homework for you people is write 5
Write
sentences
5
of
sentences of
positive question
positive
tag,
question tag. Write
5
5
sentences
sentences
of
of negative question tag.
very good. So I hope you all people understood the today's lecture very nicely.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you so much for joining my
Have a
class.
nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Very good. Thank you so much and wish you the
Bye.
same. Okay.